In this video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall apps on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So you simply need to swipe up from the home screen and go to the apps screen and find that app you want to uninstall. And you can uninstall any app that you've installed by simply long pressing on that particular application. So if it's the Facebook Messenger app, for instance, just long press on it, and then from the options, select uninstall. And then it's going to ask you if you're sure you want to uninstall. You can choose to keep the app data on the phone so that when you install it later, you simply pick up from where you left. Okay, so if you want to keep the app data, you just check that. If you want to uninstall the app together with all its app data, leave that unchecked. Okay, now for me, I want to keep the app data just to uninstall the app and then tap OK, and that app is going to get uninstalled. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching and good luck.